5 new technologies that will change the future. Because of the vast development of technology, new inventions and groundbreaking initiatives are created every year. It's not uncommon for scientists and engineers to work on cutting-edge technologies that will radically change our lives at any time. Even though scientific development appears to be constantly progressing, the previous half-century has seen remarkable technological growth. In the future, a wide range of new technologies will substantially influence our daily lives. Hello everyone and welcome to another video on our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about 5 new technologies that will change the future. Yeah, you heard it right, so let's start our video. Number 1. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is at the top of our list. Traditional computers can't handle the most difficult jobs no matter how many powerful chips you add. World computer specialists are close to constructing a quantum computer. Quantum and conventional computers store and process data differently. The qubits of a quantum computer can be 1, 0, or a superposition of the two. This is quantum computing. Quantum computers can solve any issue just like conventional ones. Quantum computers store and compute using quantum physics. Quantum computers can decode passwords that take conventional computers days of trial and error. Researchers are still researching the conditions under which smaller quantum computers might be useful. However, a massive and robust quantum computer is presently the primary challenge in quantum computing. This technology will soon transform the world. Number 2. Blockchain. Blockchain is the next technology on our list. Blockchain secures, decentralizes, and exchanges data peer-to-peer. Blockchain tracks all user transactions like a ledger. Centralized record-keeping is traditional. The network's records are distributed. This design makes losing or changing records difficult. Your data is secure because the government can't seize it, a third party can't erase it, or you can hack the blockchain. Companies that need to keep records are using blockchain. There are also many apps available. Medical records may be kept and transferred on a blockchain ledger. It might be used for online voting. It may monitor a multinational supply chain. Security has several uses. Future application of technology is certain. Number 3. Artificial intelligence. AI and machine learning relate to computers' ability to learn and behave intelligently, make judgments, complete tasks, and predict future events based on data. AI and machine learning are already commonplace. Alexa, Siri, Amazon's product suggestions, Netflix and Spotify's tailored recommendations, every Google search, credit card fraud checks, dating apps, and fitness trackers. AI drives everything. AI will change practically every aspect of existence. Stephen Hawking remarked creating AI would be humankind's greatest achievement. Hawking said, unfortunately, it may also be the last, unless we learn to avoid the hazards. AI and machine learning underpin several technologies. Without AI, the Internet of Things, virtual reality, chatbots, face recognition, robotics, automation, and self-driving cars wouldn't exist. AI will transform occupations. AI-enabled technology may displace many occupations. Instead of a gloomy future when machines take all human occupations, I believe AI will improve our working life. AI will improve human labor, and new employment will replace lost ones. Number 4. Brain-computer interfaces. The idea of a brain-computer interface has been discussed for a long time. In layman's words, we have what scientists call a neural control interface, or mind-machine interface. A brain-computer interface, BCI, may be thought of as a conduit that links your brain to any external technology. It is now on the market. However, it is mostly used in the health sector or for small-scale operations. The use of brain-computer interfaces is becoming more commonplace. Our PowerPoint presentations and Excel spreadsheets may be controlled entirely by our thoughts within the next few years. Companies might potentially use this technology to keep tabs on their employees' attention spans and mental health. Using brain-computer interface technology at work raises a number of ethical concerns and issues. Policies and legislation are much behind the times when it comes to technological advancements. Businesses must build a brain-computer interface plan as soon as possible to handle the risks and advantages. This is why brain-computer connections hold such promise for the future. You may be surprised to learn what the other person thinks of you. Number 5. Graphene. Graphene comes in at number 5 on our list of promising new technologies. For the sake of completeness, let's first look at what graphite is in its most basic form. Carbon atoms are joined together in a honeycomb lattice structure to form a single layer. There are several layers of these monolayer carbon atoms stacking on top of each other in graphite, which is what makes it unique. While steel is 6 times heavier and 6 times tougher than graphene, the latter is 6 times more lightweight. As a result, its finest attributes are its strength and lightness. Our electrical equipment may soon be able to run at unprecedented speeds because of graphene's ability to take the place of silicon. Also, ultra-thin flexible touchscreens with practically unbreakable strength and flexibility will be achievable thanks to graphene. It may also be utilized to manufacture fuel, in bionic people, or in the realm of vision. These are only a few examples. Do you see it having any impact on our future? Well, that's all for today's video. I really hope that you found this one interesting. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next video with some more interesting facts and stories. And until then, stay tuned.